Hello class, welcome to our LFS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your geography teacher. In the last class we have discussed about fertilizer industry, and also you have seen that in many parts of our country we found fertilizers industry. Do you remember? Okay, yesterday I show you in the map also some of Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala, okay, and also in other states there is cement, fertilizer industry. So let us discuss our today's topic, that is cement industry, and also today's next topic is automobile industry. Here cement is used for construction of used for construction activity, for the construction of houses, dam, buildings, and so many things. And also you have seen automobile industry. Automobiles provide vehicles for quick transport and also of goods services, and also for passengers, for carrying goods from one place to another place, okay, and so many things. So let us first of all start with cement industry, okay. Cement is essential for construction activities such as building houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dams, and for other commercial establishment. We have seen that cement is used for or essential for construction activity. We used cement in construction of road, houses, buildings, and also even airports, and also even you have seen a playground also, means where people stadium also, and so many things. And this industry requires bulky and heavy raw materials. For this industry, this industry also need not light material but heavy as well as bulky materials. What type of materials? Raw materials. What are these raw materials? Like limestone, silica, and gypsum. What are these things? Limestone, limestone, silica, and gypsums. These are the raw materials. Coal and electric power are needed apart from rail transportation, and also for these things also require coal and electric power uh, for the rail transportation. The industry has strategically located plants in Gujarat that have suitable access to the market in the Gulf countries. And here the industry has some strategical point of view in the location or locating plants in, especially in Gujarat, and also that have suitable for the access to the market of in the Gulf countries. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904. After independence, the industry expanded. इंडस्ट्री तो ओपन हो गई. ये फर्स्ट सीमेंट जो प्लांट था वो सेटअप हो गया 1904 में, लेकिन इसका जो एक्सपांड है, इसका अधिक विकसित रूप केवल आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस ही हुआ. Improvement in the quality has found the produce readily available market in East Asia, Middle East, Africa, and South Asia, apart from a large demand within the country. और भी हम देखते हैं तो इम्प्रूवमेंट इन द क्वालिटी ऑफ कहाँ है, हैड फाउंड कहाँ पर, द प्रोड्यूस readily available market in South in East Asia, Middle East and also Africa and South America. This industry is doing well in terms of production as well as export. यह इंडस्ट्रीज है जो अपनी तरफ से बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रही है प्रोडक्शन के तौर पे भी और प्लस एक्सपोर्ट में भी. Efforts are being made to generate एडुकेट डोमेस्टिक. हमारा जो भरपूर सहयोग है कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मात्रा में डोमेस्टिक डिमांड और सप्लाई इन ऑर्डर टू सस्टेन दिस इंडस्ट्री. हम इतना अधिक से अधिक जनरेट करें जो कि हमारी जो डोमेस्टिक नीड्स है, जो डिमांड है और सप्लाई और उसको हम उसको पूरी तरह से इंडस्ट्री के लिए कर सकें. ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री. Automobiles provide vehicle for quick transport of goods, services and passengers. ऑटोमोबाइल्स के हर कोई चाहता है कि हम अच्छी गाड़ी से और जल्दी से कहीं भी जाना हो तो हम चले जाएं. कोई पैदल जाना नहीं चाहता है और ये सब सुविधा किसकी जरिए मिली है हमको? ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री से. ट्रक्स, बसेस, कार्स, मोटरसाइकिल्स, स्कूटर्स, 3-wheelers एंड मल्टी यूटिलिटी vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers. ये सब सारी चीज़ें हमारे इंडिया में ही मैन्युफैक्चर्ड होती हैं, वो भी एक जगह पर नहीं, कई सारे जगहों पर. After the liberalization, the coming in of new and contemporary models stimulated the demand for vehicles. और जैसे जैसे समय बीतता गया नई नई डिमांड्स लोगों की बढ़ती गई. व्हीकल्स इन द मार्केट, और मार्केट में इसकी व्हीकल भी आनी शुरू हो गई. विच लीड टू द हेल्दी ग्रोथ ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री इंक्लूडिंग पैसेंजर कार्स, 2 and 3-wheelers. इन सब की डिमांड अधिक से अधिक बढ़नी शुरू हो गई. द इंडस्ट्री इज लोकेटेड अराउंड दिल्ली, गुरुग्राम, मुंबई, पुणे, चेन्नई, कोलकाता, लखनऊ, इंदौर, हैदराबाद, जमशेदपुर एंड ऑल्सो Bangalore. These are the places where automobile industry is located. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you. Here's your homework. Prepare for FA2 chapter 4. Okay, beta. Thank you.